Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it, and you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely, guys. As I can see, the black cake which I do bake 2 days ago. Look at this. Everyone love the cake. And I said to myself, I should share the fans and what's going on. So basically what I'm gonna do is simple cut off a nice piece to show you guys exactly when Chef Ricardo bake a Jamaican black cake. This is what happened. You know what I mean? It's just really nice and beautiful, guys, and I want you guys to see exactly where I am about with this lovely, nice, lovely. Look at that. Just look at that piece of a slice of a cake, guys. Really nice, and to be honest, just beautiful. Really, really beautiful. And as I said to myself, I know you guys will enjoy this piece of cake. The recipe is on the YouTube channel. And to be honest, guys, seriously, it's Christmas, you know what I mean? And Christmas is one of the beautiful time of the year where, you know what I mean, everyone just keep baking, getting things done. But just look at that. That is fantastic, guys. Moisture, and you know what I mean, looking so lovely and nice. That's the thing when you're making Jamaican black fruit cake. So fantastic. So guys, enjoy the recipe. As I said, I will definitely put the link below how to make this black Jamaican rum fruit cake, guys. Looking so lovely and nice and yummy. And I'm telling you, you know what I mean, everyone do enjoy the recipe. Basically, a lot of people might say Chef Ricardo, boy, you know, rum with the baking, but it's not just, it's Christmas, you know what I mean? And through Christmas, a lot of people do different kind of stuff and love to bake and like to do things for Christmas, you know what I mean? And as I say, I baked the rum fruit cake, and the recipe is on the YouTube channel, and I will definitely put the link below for the recipe for this one where you can bake it at home, guys. Looking so lovely and fantastic, and as I can see, it's just amazing. The cake come out so lovely and nice and really, really good, guys. So as you can see, the Jamaican black dark rum fruit cake, guys, the link is below. So enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you in the future. So at the moment we have another cake soaking with the rum. We will definitely cut that one, make you guys see exactly what we're talking about when we soak the fruits and what makes the difference of the cake. Alright, so enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show, and we will come out with the best and better in the future. Thank you so much. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Enjoy it. Bye bye.